Hi class, let's take a look at example 2. And in example 2, we're basically looking for a formula that's going to have, and we're looking at an actual x to the fourth and then a square root. So the idea is to look for one that has square roots. So in this case, and the square roots are on the top. So the closest one that I see, it's basically in this section. The only problem is that I don't see one that has a, well, in this case, a u to the fourth power. So the closest one that resembles it, and it's actually not very close because it's missing terms, it's formula 68. Now, here's the problem with formula 68, and that's that it's a sum of technically two squares. So here's our problem on this one. And the main idea is that actually doesn't quite look like a squared. We probably need to do a u substitution and try to see if it's possible. So this is what I'm talking about. So we're going to be trying to do a u substitution. So in this case, I'm just going to let u equal to a x squared. And keep in mind that if u is equal to x squared, then technically u squared is equal to x to the fourth. This may come in handy for the problem. So at this point, du is equal to 2x dx, or du over the values of 2x is equal to dx. And let me rewrite the integral and see if this is actually going to be a good option. It's possible that we have to go back to the drawing board. So you're looking at the integral of x square root of 2 plus x to the fourth dx, and we're basically rewriting it as x square root of 2 plus x squared squared and then we have the actual dx. So that's the substitution that I'm trying to do. The idea is maybe it's possible to rewrite it as formula 68. And that's the closest one that I see, but that's only because of the x to the fourth. So let me rewrite it. At this point, we're looking at this is equivalent to x square root of 2 plus technically u, u squared, and then dx is going to be du over the values of 2x. So we can actually cancel the x's, and let me rewrite the actual integral of, well, the square root of 2 plus u squared, technically du, and then we do have the 2 on the outside. So let me just rewrite it, and let me change the color because I'll forget. That's the problem that we're going to actually attempt to see if we're going to use if the formula would even work. So in order to use this formula, you have to make sure that it actually fits. And notice that you have a 2 plus a, u to the second. The formula has an a squared. So maybe we just have to take this one more step. And we're looking at this is equivalent to technically the 1/2 integral of the square root, and then square root of 2 squared plus the value of u squared, then du. So in order to apply the formula, a happens to be, so this is by formula 68. So a happens to be the square root of 2, and actually that's it. So your your u squared, and I'm just going to go back to the variable. Your u squared is equal to x to the fourth. So I'm just going to use those two, and this way we don't have to do an additional substitution. So we're just basically looking at those two. Okay, so let's apply it into the formula and simplify it as much as we can. Don't forget that we technically have, well, the 1/2. So this is still 1/2 times the following integral. And we're just going to put the plus c. Now, the formula starts by expressing it as u over 2. So u over 2. So this will be x squared So this is an x squared over 2. And then we have a squared plus u squared. So adjacent or multiplied, basically the 2. And then your u squared is x to the fourth. And then it has a plus. So plus the square root of 2 squared divided by 2. And then it has the ln. So ln of u plus, so u is going to be your x squared plus the square root, and this is just a squared plus u squared. So basically 2 plus x to the fourth, then plus the values of c. In this one, we're actually going to see a cancellation of this one. This cancels, but we're also multiplying technically the constant on the outside. I'm just going to leave the c there, but technically if we had initial conditions, we would multiply the c as well. But we'll worry about that in a later section. So this is equal to x to the second over 4, square root of 2 plus x to the fourth, plus technically 1/2 ln of x squared plus the square root of 2 plus x to the fourth plus the values of c. So that would be the final answer, which in this case, this one was a little bit hard to visualize, especially because since you don't, if we by accident don't recognize that a x to the fourth could be expressed as a u squared, then we could have used something else, meaning a different formula that wouldn't actually apply, or end up with the conclusion that no formula actually works for this one. That would be it for this one.